Let's make some quesadillas.
I posted this recipe to Instagram and it went viral, so you'll want to save this one. They're honestly so good. Cut beef cheek and chuck steak into even-sized portions, then season generously with salt before searing in a pot until brown on all sides. Remove, then set aside. Chop garlic cloves, then place into a bowl with lime juice, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, apple cider vinegar, beef stock, cumin, and Mexican oregano. Stir, then place beef back into the pot along with the liquid mix. Add cinnamon sticks and bay leaves, then bring to a light simmer. Cover with a cartouche, then lid. Place into a preheated oven at 140 degrees Celsius or 285 degrees Fahrenheit for 3.5 to 4 hours. Once done, let rest for 10 minutes before shredding with 2 forks. Place tortilla into a pan, spread cheese on one half, then top with shredded beef. Fold over and lightly toast until brown on each side. So if you're wanting to try this delicious quesadilla, I've left the ingredients list in the description below.
Incredible.